From Kumon, once again in non-standard size. I think this is B4 paper size, which handles actually quite nicely. Is this chunky monkey of a book of maths boosters for ages or grades, not ages 4 to 6, grades 4 to 6. It's 120 pages of content in full Technicolor print, which is pretty impressive for some £12 of UK money. Divided into sections of basic fractions, fractions with the same denominators, reductions, finding the common denominators, different denominator fractions, LCMs, multiplication and division. So overall, lots of content. Solutions are at the back as usual. Now in this book, in the boosters book, you have these nice kind of progression arrows, so you see where you are on each topic. That's pretty impressive and pretty good. Typography is good. It's quite clear. A very usable book, not aligned to anywhere in particular in the curriculum, but one from a series. This is actually kind of the most senior book in the series. And there's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decimals, and fractions in here. As I said, it's quite chunky. It's full Technicolor print. It's pretty clear and legible. So let's have a look at how we score it. Learning objectives 8. You just need to pick it up when you're ready for it, which could be at any point in year 4 through 6. Usability very high. You have the solutions, you have the progressions. It's all clearly laid out. Sections labeled. Production, yeah, very good. Actually, unseasonal 10 in terms of how this book is done. Impact they will totally learn. Value is there or thereabouts, as most of these books are. Say £1 English per 10 pages. I think this one is 13 quid on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. When you compare it to the monthly paid Kumon, there's definitely at least month worth of topics. So compare cost of monthly Kumon to paying 13 quid for the book. It's actually very decent. So we're giving it 8 for that. For a combined score of 44, which is scoring pretty high, and it should. It's the classic rote learning Kumon type deal. So if you need something like this, by all means, jump in there and get this one. I wholly recommend this book, which was Kumon Math Boosters for grades 4 to 6. And do subscribe for more. We'll do a few more of these reviews of the books in this series.